Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. As we start the new year, there is a question that most people ask me, how do I make my skin glow? Here's my 4-step treatment to make your skin glow this new year. The first step is what you're doing to your skin is what you're doing to your body. So what you eat, how much you sleep, whether you're smoking, whether you're getting enough exercise, and these are very important to make sure that you're doing the correct steps to make your skin glow from inside. And from outside, there are 3 main characters of the skin which makes it look glowier. One is hydration, that means how much plump it is, how much hyaluronic acid it has, how much water you're drinking. The second is what is the texture of the skin? Is it smooth? Is it reflecting the light back into the face? And the third is tone or color, whether it's an even tone, whether there is a lot of patchy pigmentation. The first one, hydration, you can address by eating good amounts of omega-3 fatty acid containing foods like fish and dry fruits, and drinking adequate amounts of water. You can also invest in a hyaluronic acid based cream or serum and ceramide based moisturizer to keep the skin moisture locked in. If these don't work for you, you need to invest in a hydrating treatment like a Hydra facial, like a dermaroller with a hyaluronic infusion, or with the newest skin boosters which contain hyaluronic acid, which can be injected as a microdroplet in the upper layer of the skin to give your skin that instant plumping which lasts the whole year. Coming to the second point, which is the texture. Texture is something which unfortunately home remedies or creams don't help too much with. Though retinols and vitamin C do stimulate some collagen production in the skin, they are not able to even out the texture of the skin. So for the texture, I do recommend that you consult a dermatologist, and depending on the amount of treatment that you need, invest in either a microdermabrasion, a microneedling RF treatment, or a dermaroller treatment, or if you need a carbon dioxide laser treatment to even out the texture of the skin. The texture of the skin is contributing to the evenness of the skin, so the light reflecting onto your skin will reflect back when the skin is smooth. For example, if you have a rough wall, it doesn't look as luminous or shiny even if you apply the same coat of paint on it as a smooth textured wall. So to make your texture more even, you need to consult a dermatologist. And the third thing, which is the pigmentation. So if the skin looks patchy and pigmented, it's not to glow as well. So for this pigmentation, I always say sunscreen, 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 whether you're indoors or outdoors. You now know that visible light also causes a lot of pigmentation. So invest in a sunscreen which has IR protection as well, a good PA plus rating and a high SPF to make sure that you don't get more pigmented. And to remove the pigmentation, you have various creams which are available, right from your kojic acid, retinols, vitamin C, arbutin. But remember, anything which is going to work on your skin, which has got enough concentration, has to be in a drug formulation. It has to be in a concentration that can penetrate into the epidermal layers of the skin. So you need to make sure that you are getting the right prescription, and the person who knows you the best is your dermatologist. So what are you waiting for? Let's rock this new year. Let's make sure that we are glowing at our optimum best.